We'll guide you through how to add Python interpreter in Visual Studio Code. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
So let's start by installing Python. Just open any web browser to your liking and just go ahead and search for Python. And just go to the official website for Python, and here hover over downloads and you will see the latest Python version. Just click on the Python version just like so, and your exe file will be successfully downloaded. Just click on it to run the setup wizard, and after that you will see this option appear. Make sure add Python exe to path is selected. This is extremely important, and make sure use admin privileges while installing py.exe is also selected, and click on customize installation. And here you can leave the options as default and click on next. And you can customize the install location and click on install, and just click on yes if prompted, and just wait for the installation to complete. And once that the installation is complete, just go ahead and click on close. And now let's verify that Python was installed successfully. Now go to your Windows search bar and just go ahead and type cmd and hit enter to open the command prompt. And now in the command prompt, just go ahead and type the following command. Just type python space double hyphen version and hit enter. And if you see your Python version displayed, Python has been installed successfully. Now we are ready to add Python interpreter to Visual Studio Code. Now just go ahead and open Visual Studio Code, and once the VS Code opens, just go to the extension icon on the left hand side, and just go to your search bar and go ahead and search for Python and hit enter. And here you will see many Python extensions. So basically just go to the official Python extension, and it is by Microsoft.com, and just go ahead and install it. Just click on install. Now you can just close the extension tab, and now click on the file icon at the top left and choose to open folder, and open any folder where you want to work with Python. So let's say I want to work here, and I will create a new folder, and we can name it something like Python and hit enter. And just go inside the folder and click on select folder, and now your folder will open inside of Visual Studio Code. And now just click on the new file icon to create a new file, and create a new file. You can name it something like test.py and hit enter. The .py extension tells Visual Studio Code that this is a Python file. As soon as the file is created, Visual Studio Code should recognize it as a Python file. You will also notice a Python version number displayed at the bottom of the VS Code window. This is the Python interpreter currently selected. Now let's write a simple program. So let's just type print bracket quotation, and let's type something like GuideRealm, and now save the file. You can just go ahead and press Ctrl and S key on a keyboard to save it. Now at the top you will see terminal, or sometimes you also see three dots. Just click on terminal and click on new terminal, and your terminal will open at the bottom. Now in the terminal, just go ahead and type python space and the name of the file, which is going to be test.py, and hit enter. And now you should see GuideRealm has been successfully printed, which confirms Python is working correctly inside Visual Studio Code. Now let's learn how to manually select or add Python interpreter. Just go ahead and press Ctrl Shift and P key on a keyboard, which opens the command palette. Now in the search bar, just go ahead and search for Python create environment, and just click on Python create environment just like so, and select your environment type. So it's going to be the Venv one, so just click on it, and after selecting it, Venv, Visual Studio Code will show you the Python version installed on your computer. Select your Python version just like so, and as you can see now, the environment will be successfully start creating. Wait a few seconds, and you may also notice a .venv folder in your Explorer. This folder contains virtual environment, and just wait for the steps to complete. And once that the process is complete, Visual Studio Code will show you our information confirming that the environment has been created and selected. Now look at the bottom of the code and click on the .venv displayed here, and now you will see multiple interpreter options. For example, it might be global or it might be venv. The virtual environment interpreter will usually contain .venv in its path. Just go ahead and select the virtual environment interpreter. And once selected, Visual Studio Code will use that interpreter for your current project. This is recommended setup for most Python project.